In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and effectively set up and publish a project in Framer, focusing specifically on adding a key feature, a download button. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open Framer. Whether you're using the Framer desktop application or accessing it through your web browser, ensure that you start off in a clean and organized workspace. As with any digital creation, having a tidy environment will help streamline your workflow and make it easier to see the changes you're implementing. Once you've opened Framer, you'll be greeted with the main interface where all the magic happens. The next step is to prepare your project. If you're starting from scratch, take a moment to think about the overall goal and structure of your project. Define what you want it to look like and how you want users to interact with it. If there's a template you want to use, go ahead and select it. Ensuring you have a clear plan will make the following steps more intuitive and manageable. Now, let's take a closer look at the left-hand panel of the Framer interface. This panel is your toolbox. It houses all the various elements and tools you might need for your project. You're going to want to click on Insert. This expands a drop-down menu that comprises different categories of elements you can add to your project, such as text, images, and utility buttons. Since our focus today is on adding a download button, we're going to hover over the Utility section under Elements. Here, you'll find a variety of components designed to add functionality to your project. Utility components are incredibly useful as they help you seamlessly integrate interactivity into your design, enhancing user engagement. Once you've hovered over Utility, look for the Download button. It's designed to be drag-and-drop friendly, which makes the process incredibly simple. Click on the Download button, hold it, and then drag it to your desired location within your project canvas. The drag-and-drop feature is one of the intuitive aspects of Framer that makes designing convenient and efficient. Be mindful about where you place the button to ensure that it's easily accessible and visible to users once your project is live. After positioning your download button to your satisfaction, the final task is to publish your project. Locate the Publish button, advantageously placed to make the action simple and straightforward. A single click on this button will take your project live, making it viewable to the audience you wish to reach. Ensure you've triple-checked everything before this step, because once it's published, that's what the world will see. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a fully functional download button and published your project in Framer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to experiment with other elements to enrich your projects even more. Happy designing!